Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball-Kilmer. Shout out to my new partners, GFN TV. Today we're gonna mix it up and do something a little special. I'm gonna give you Super Tuesday with Taco Tuesday, and we're gonna call it Super Taco Tuesday. So I normally don't get political here over at Allie in the Valley, but since Super Tuesday has this huge big phenomenon going on, and Taco Tuesday, like LeBron's family, I decided to combine the two. What would be better than that to combine and make Super Taco Tuesday? So when people come over, I'm gonna feed them well and we're gonna watch some politics. Good luck to all the politicians out there. It's a tough race. And you know what? Everybody, the most important thing, everyone needs to go out, get out and vote. Get out to vote for who you believe in, and that's all I'm gonna say about politics. Now let's get the tacos going. So what is Super Taco Tuesday? It's our election sporting event that I'm throwing tacos in so we can watch it on the sideline. So let me show you how I get down making really great, easy turkey tacos. All right, let's get these tacos going. So you can use any kind of meat you want. I'm using organic turkey, but you can use hamburger, you can use beef, swordfish, whatever you want. But I did say this is Taco Tuesday, so any kind of tacos that your family loves, that's what we're using. And I always, when I get my meat going, I also do my shells at the same time. So I wanna get this amazing, see this amazing cast iron taco shell maker? I love it. All right, let's put turkey meat in there. And I'm gonna brown this up. This is 2 pounds of turkey meat. We're gonna brown it up. Once we brown it up, I'm gonna put some taco seasoning. Now this is my homemade taco seasoning with chili powder, paprika. You'll find the recipe on my website. We'll put that in with some water. We'll make quick turkey meat, make some shells, put all the condiments in. Simple Taco Tuesday. I'm gonna wash my hands, I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna start warming up my taco shells. You can use any shells you want. I love these corn and wheat tortilla shells that I get from Trader Joe's, of course. Any kind is fine. And I'm just gonna make sure the meat cooks really well and crumble it up. And then I'll put the seasoning in. I mean, everybody loves tacos, but today, these tacos are really easy, but they're also a crowd pleaser, and that's what I love about tacos, because when people come over, especially when you're gonna do like a Super Taco Tuesday and you're watching elections and people get all crazy about what's going on, you just want something good and easy and not a big mess. So I can't think of an easier recipe than my turkey tacos. So the meat is nice and brown now. And I'm gonna just add the seasoning and then add like a half a cup of water so it can continue to cook. And then we'll be ready in a minute after our taco shells are finished cooking. All right, let's add the taco seasoning. Now this is my homemade taco seasoning. The recipe will be on there, but it has paprika, cumin, chili powder, salt, pepper, all the yummy stuff, garlic. Since I did 2 pounds of turkey meat, now I'm putting in like a cup and water, just plain water. We're gonna let this, take it up to a boil, let it boil and sit and simmer for a little while, and then we're ready. Okay, so my shells are done, and I just made a few shells. You can make as many shells as you need to when people are coming over. These look really good. These are great shells. And my meat's done, so I'm gonna go over here. This has been about 10 minutes to make the meat. Okie dokie, so my taco meat's ready. It is time to eat some yummy tacos on this very political Super Taco Tuesday. I just love tacos. Tacos are my go-to food, to be honest with you. I make tacos all the time. I make swordfish tacos, turkey tacos, meat tacos. I just love a great taco. And I couldn't think of something more simple to make. Let me see if you can see all this. Simple to make for this political campaign Super Tuesday, Super Taco Tuesday. All right, so I'm just gonna take my tortilla shells, put a little meat in there. We're gonna do some cheese. I love me some cheese, some tomatoes. Okay, some lettuce, some cilantro. Bam, and you can put whatever kind of hot sauce you want. Tomatillo sauce, salsa, guacamole. And I also got alternative cheeses, so because I am in California, so some people want soy cheese, some people want almond cheese because they don't eat regular cheese, but whatever you prefer. Okay, there's one fabulous taco that I'm ready to eat right this second because I'm starving. And for me, a little hot sauce. Now, you know, everybody is not into hot, hot, hot. I love it hot, but that's why I got the tomatillo sauce, the salsa sauce, and the guacamole, because not everybody likes it hot. I love it hot. All right, let me try these before I serve them to guests for Super Taco Tuesday. These babies are the bomb. They're juicy, they're good. You got a burst of sunshine with the tomatoes. Super Taco Tuesday. Don't forget to go out and vote. We're US citizens. You gotta cast your vote if you wanna make a difference. You know where to get the recipe at AllieInTheValley.com. Shout out to GFN TV. See you on the next Allie in the Valley.